Hi everyone, want to cancel your AT&T service online? In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to cancel your AT&T service quickly and easily. If it is a prepaid service, you need to turn off auto pay option and third party subscription. The line will be cancelled automatically. If you are in any contract or installment benefits, you have to submit the cancellation request to AT&T. You have to return any product which is purchased on installments. How to get cancel prepaid AT&T service online. If you are a prepaid customer, simply turn off auto payment and other subscription. The line will be cancelled automatically. Log into your AT&T prepaid account on the AT&T website. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select Home, go to Manage Auto Pay, select and Auto Pay. To delete third-party subscription, go to the Mobile Purchase section on the AT&T website. Enter the 10-digit AT&T wireless phone number associated with the device used for the purchase. Select Next. An 8-digit PIN will be sent to that phone number. Check your phone for the 8-digit PIN, then enter it on the website. Select Submit to access your purchase history. From there, you can cancel your subscription. How to get cancel AT&T service for tablet or wearable? Visit AT&T cancel service page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then log in using your credentials. Navigate to the My Account section, look for options related to managing your services or plans. Select the specific service you wish to cancel, find and click on the option that says Cancel Service or Disconnect. Follow any prompts provided on the screen. You may need to confirm your identity through security questions or a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Before finalizing the cancellation, review any terms regarding early termination fee or outstanding balances. Once you have reviewed everything, confirm your cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email detailing the cancellation of your service. If you have rented equipment like a modem or router, be sure to return it according to AT&T's instructions to avoid additional charges. Review any terms regarding early termination fees or outstanding balances. Confirm your cancellation request and check for a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Cancellation policy. You can cancel your AT&T service within 14 days of activation without incurring an early termination fee. If you cancel after 14 days and have a term commitment, you will be responsible for paying any service fee and an ETF. If you cancel your service, you must return any leased equipment to avoid additional charges. If you activated a device within the last 14 days, you can return it under the AT&T wireless return policy without a restocking fee. After cancellation, if you were on an installment plan, any remaining balances will be added to your next bill. If you had a contract, the ETF will also appear on your next bill. If you are in a contract and want to cancel the service before the contract ends, you need to pay early termination fee. For example, for smartphones with data service, the ETF is $325 minus $10 for each full month of completed service. For basic phones, tablets, or other connected devices, the ETF is $150 minus $4 for each full month of completed service. When you cancel your service or transfer to the line tied to the accessory, you lose the financing benefit. The full remaining balance must be paid off right away, which can lead to unexpected charges on your bill.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.